As of 2025, the MSC Irina holds the title of the largest container ship in the world. Operated by Mediterranean Shipping Company, MSC. This mega vessel measures approximately 399.9 meters in length and 61.3 meters in width. It boasts a massive capacity of around 24,346 TEUs, surpassing all previous records. Built by China's Yangzijiang Shipbuilding Group, the MSC Irina features advanced technologies aimed at improving fuel efficiency and reducing carbon emissions, including an energy-saving bulbous bow and smart engine systems. The ship is part of MSC's push toward sustainable shipping and expanding its global fleet. Its enormous size and capacity highlight the growing demand for high-volume maritime transport across global trade routes, especially between Asia and Europe.